Bana Hill. A lot of activities. So crowded today. Look at this place, man. Only problem is cloudy, no sunshine. Otherwise, it would be fantastic place. Still, it's great, man. It's so nice. Look at the view. I got a free ticket to have a food or beer. So I'll go decide, do I have food or 2 pints of beer? Yeah. Bana Brew House. So I'm going to Bana Brew House. Let's see. What's the amazing place, man? This beer factory. I don't believe this, man. In top of mountain, get this facility. Unbelievable. It's massive tanks. This is beer factory in Bana Hill mountain. I don't know how they make this one.
And then turn left, the second floor up there where you can have free beer. Yeah, then down here the beer factory.
Right.
Yeah.
So can I go around?
Then you can go up.
Okay.
Yeah. We go straight.
I'll go straight.
Over there.
Okay, so go up.
Then go up.
Okay, thank you. Just little bit show here, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Look at this, man. What they make here. And this is... Do you really make the beer here?
Yeah, this is where we make it beer.
You make the beer. What's the name of beer here?
Oh, we have three types of beer.
Yeah.
The name for one is Helions lager.
Right.
The second one is dark lager.
Right.
And the third one is pale ale.
Pale ale.
Yes,
Okay.
you can see over here.
Right.
Three types
So,
of beer.
these three type of beer you make here.
Yeah, yes.
Right. So these three type of beer they making. So is it rice?
Oh, this is wheat. This
Wheat.
is right.
And what about this one?
This is more.
Okay, so beer is come from this product.
Yes,
Yes.
this come from two ingredients, and
Right.
we have still more the hop,
Okay.
water, and yeast.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
It look amazing. I didn't believe that exists here.
Oh, right.
Yeah, we got
Yes.
top of mountain. I don't know how they brought too many stuff. It's no easy.
It's no easy.
No easy. So difficult.
That this beer they make by hand.
Okay.
Yes.
So how much is it one beer here?
How much?
How?
15,000.
15,000.
Vietnam đồng.
It's very good price.
That's right.
Very good
yes.
price. I love it. I love it. So this beer only you using inside the Vietnam or they send it to other country?
Oh, this beer is we only use it in Bana.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Danang. Okay, Danang. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't sell it outside.
Okay.
It's not really original yet.
Okay.
Yes. We have the coupon.
Okay.
That's to have two glass of beer.
Right.
Maybe you can taste this.
I'll go there. I got ticket for 2 beer, free beer.
You better try beer.
I'll go to try it. This is where they make the beer. It's fantastic. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. See you. Bye bye. So this is beer factory in Bana Hills. So here like the food section. Look the ceiling, how beautiful it is. This is the first floor. Yeah, beautiful place. Look at this bar, man. Oh man. Hello. Beautiful. Look at ceiling, lighting. It's amazing place. This is type of beer they make from beer. This is the wheat or barley, I'm not sure. What can I get with this ticket? So I got 2 pints beer.
I can exchange this. This will be on the TV.
Cheers to me. I love this one. Beautiful. Hello. How are you? It's beautiful. Very nice. I like your hat. Imagine get the free beer in this place. Thank you very much. Amazing place. It's fantastic, unbelievable. Could get this beer factory in the mountain, in top of mountain, 1,480 meters high. Imagine this. Is fantastic place, man. This is Beer Plaza. You have a big nose, man. I love your nose. So look at this view. Beautiful. Steam tank. I'm going to show how high is here. Amazing place. So fast. Look at the high. Unfortunately, it's very foggy. I cannot see down that much. So it's 1,480 meters. It's a massive crane here. Still construction going on around here. So in future, it will be much bigger than now, what it is. Now it gets so foggy. This is cable car. So I'm going to do that one. I think today doesn't work, this station. So I'm going to Hoi An station. Imagine get the beer factory in top of mountain, man. Maybe let's go stay from here. I can get better view. Beautiful car. It looks amazing. Maybe 2 times older than me.